Eminem, aka Slim Shady, aka Marshall Bruce Mathers III. We all know who he is, so I'm sure an intro is unnecessary. Eminem has gone through multiple changes in his style over the years, from using weird, cringeworthy accents in his raps, to singing hooks that sound like a bad, almost unlistenable 80s power ballad. Encompassing all of these styles in a single video is not feasible, so we're going to focus on a particular type of Eminem track that we've been seeing with an increased frequency since he began working with Rick Rubin in 2013. The first thing we're going to do is search for a dope rock song that we can make exponentially worse by sampling and rapping over it. I found this track by the Arctic Monkeys. I think it really fits Eminem's style. I like the drums, I like the sliding bass line that really strikes me as an Eminem-y type of thing, and the hook is just perfect. I cut out a portion of the sample that I liked. I pitched it up by 100 semitones, cloned it, hard panned one to the right and the other to the left. I cloned the sample again and put a low-pass filter on it. I distorted it and switched its stereo image to mono. I then added these strings and layered it with a transition. Pizzicato strings are very Eminem-y. And that's it. I didn't even add drums this time because the drums in the sample will work just fine. Let's hear what the beat sounds like all together. I cut the beat short because I only want to rap 8 bars over it. If I were to make it into a full beat, I would extend the length of the verse section and double it. Okay, now it's time to write some lyrics. Boiling down Eminem's lyrics into key talking points, we get 1. Drug use. 2. Irresponsible or criminal behavior. 3. Puns, which are usually cringeworthy and forced. 4. Mental instability. And 5. References to when he was actually good. Like, hey guys, do you remember that time I wrote Stan? Alright, let's see what we've come up with. Home alone, poppin' Zopiclone nightly. A psychiatric evaluation is unlikely. I want 51 rum Ivy, it's stuck inside me while I'm drunk driving. I feel like I've caught a buzz finally. I'm in a slump, rapping Stan, smoking half a gram of hash and crash a van into your Mazda on the traffic cam. Crush up lorazepam and snort it for the shoulder pain. I got a broken brain, but I'm Superman in my lowest lane.